Hello friend, welcome to our new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to create this type of plasma ball with animation effects. First of all, we can see this type of ball is already created. Now we are going to recreate it with the help of Blender EV render engine. First of all, we are going to close it and we will take new file, general. Now delete the cube, press Shift A, mesh, icosphere. At the bottom of properties of icosphere, type 5. Right click, shade smooth. Now assign material, new. Now go to shading. In editor menu, delete principal VSDF, Shift A, type mix shader. Connect with the shading. Now press Shift A, color ramp. Connect with the factor of mix shader. Press Shift A for emission. Connect to mix shader 1. Shift A for transparent. Connect with second shader. Now change the color of emission. Now press Shift A for Voronoi texture. By cursor on the Voronoi texture, press Ctrl T. It will take mapping and texture coordinate. Connect Voronoi texture to the factor. Now convert 3D to 4D, F1 to distance to edge. We will adjust color ramp by adjusting here. We connected Voronoi texture to the color ramp. Now we will adjust color ramp as much as possible. If in one color ramp it is not possible, we can take another color ramp. But in our case it is okay. Now we are going to add some noise texture. For this, press Shift A and noise texture. Place it between texture and mapping. Now press Shift A for mix RGB. Place it between noise texture and mapping. Now change this object to vector, and this object will give second input to the mixer. Now adjust the factor accordingly. we arrange all the coordinates, but this is not transparent till now because we have to adjust in our material. There are our blend mode which is opaque. We are going to transfer it alpha blend for our transparency. Now we can see it transparent. Emission is very low, so we will increase the value of emission to the 50. Now our emission value is good, but still we need some bloom. So in render mode we click on bloom. So now it is looking good. Now we are going to create animation. For animation we are going to ornoid texture. We take initial value 1. First of all, we are going to adjust the scale value or detail value. We take it somehow this. We can see in render mode it is looking good. Now we are going to create animation. For animation we need timeline. So we will add timeline here below. Dope sheet. Here we can see there is an animation. To constant animation, first go to layout, frame size make 105. After that go to shading, place animation at 5 number of keyframe, place cursor on W and press I key, or you can go with right click and add to keyframe. After that go to frame number 100 and convert this value to 0.05. Now cursor on the W and place I. We place 2 number of keyframes which is looking like this. This is very fast, which cannot preferable good. So we will convert it some kind of slow. So we will make it 0.5 and now we press I. Now it is looking perfectly good. But we have not set background yet. So we need to set background from here. Object to word. Here we don't have much in word. So we will add by Shift A Musgrave texture. Connect height to the color. We can also animate this property. By adjusting scale of the background. We will reduce detail for dark background. Reduce to 0.1. Now scale. Press 30. On 0 number scale, press I for keyframe. At 100, press 35. Now insert keyframe by pressing I. Now we can see what kind of our animation look like. Our animation is looking good, but we need to adjust camera. So go to layout, go to animation, press 0 for camera view. Our ball is looking very small, so lock camera view. Now increase size as you prefer. Check for animation. It is looking good. Now adjust our render settings. First of all, we check our render engine, which is Eevee. We will increase sample rate 1 to 8 for better viewing. We already on bloom for our effects. Now we will set output format, which will below render setting. Make sure this is RGB. Our output format में AVI RAW. Now we are ready to convert our project into animation. Last time we will see how our animation look like. It is looking quite good. So go to render on top menu, press render animation. It will take some time according to your PC configuration. Now our render is completed. We are going to close this window. Now go to render menu, press view animation. It will show you repeatedly your animation. What kind of animation you created. Please do subscribe and press the like and subscribe button. Thank you.